This motorhome is the Dethleffs Just 90 T6812. This will cost in this form €62,124. It's 696 centimeters in length, and it's 233 in width. So this comes with two beds at the back. So this is in the German layout, but as you notice, there's a lot of space between the two beds, and another feature is that this bed is shorter than this one. So if you're particularly tall, one of you is particularly tall, then this could be a good option for you. Under here we've got storage, wardrobe, and under here we've also got more storage in the shape of a wardrobe, storage at the back, and shelves on either side, and there's also a window on either side. Here we have the fridge, and the fridge has got storage below as well. In this room here we will find the toilet and shower, and the toilet is down there, and the shower has a false wall which opens like this to reveal where the shower is held. I personally don't like false walls because in my experience they're broken through constant use, and let's face it, if you're living in the van, you're using it constantly. Two burners here, sink here, storage below. There is L-shaped seating area, although that's not really an L shape, but it's a nice place to stick your legs. There's not really enough room to sit on. Very large storage areas here, and look at these two wonderful windows in the roof. That is something I very much appreciate. This one is on the 8th generation Fiat Ducato. Many 2022 models, however, will still be on the 7th generation Fiat Ducato. This chair here can be made into a forward-facing chair as well. And behind me here I have the television. There's a garage. There's also a video where I do this in more detail. Thanks very much for watching. You can hear behind me they're washing some motorhomes, and I'm making a video. All the best from Isny im Allgäu.